Hi everyone, my name's Mike, and today I'll be introducing you to Microsoft Teams. In Geography 121, we'll be using Microsoft Teams to chat and video conference with each other, while also collaborating on documents. We chose to use Microsoft Teams in this course because it offers a more robust selection of tools than other services like Google Documents, but also because the location of its servers will help to protect your privacy and security while working together. Now, if you've never used Microsoft Teams as a UBC student before, I'd recommend watching this video from beginning to end. But if you'd like to skip ahead to a specific topic, just use the timestamps below the video. Let's get going. To sign up for Microsoft Teams as a UBC student, you must first create a student email account that uses your CWL username. To begin, open a web browser and go to myaccount.ubc.ca and log in with your CWL username and password. Next, click on Activate Student Email in the left-hand navigation column. Read through the conditions and terms and then click Accept. As you can see here, I've already created my student email address. But for you, it might take up to 48 hours to propagate in the UBC system. It's usually much faster though. To install the Microsoft Teams desktop application, simply go to the Microsoft Teams download page link shown below this video, and then click on the Download for Desktop link, and finally download Teams. The website will automatically detect if you're using a Windows or a Macintosh machine. Then, go to your Downloads folder and click on the teams.exe file in order to install the program. In order to sign in with Microsoft Teams, use your student email address that you just created, click the Next button, then use your CWL password to log in, and tell it that you do not want your organization to manage your device and to sign into this app only. The final thing that we need to do to set up your installation of Microsoft Teams is to get you added to your very first team. In Geography 121, you'll receive an email invitation to join your discussion section team from your TA. When you receive this email, click on the Teams section in the left-hand navigation bar within Microsoft Teams. Then, click on Join or Create Team. And finally, enter the join code that was sent to you by your TA. Your discussion section team will now appear. Your discussion section team is where you'll be spending most of your time collaborating online in Geography 121. Each discussion section team consists of a few different channels. The general channel is where your TA will post messages, share files, and provide links to online discussion meetings. You can also write posts to other students in your discussion section, ask questions, or reply to your classmates. Additionally, you'll also be assigned to a group channel by your TA, which you'll share with 3 other classmates from your discussion section who you'll work closely with during the course. In your group channel, you can collaborate on documents as well as write posts and replies. You can even create task lists to help keep yourselves organized. Let's look at some of these features in a little bit more detail. Meetings are the Microsoft Teams equivalent of video conferencing. Your TA will schedule discussion section meetings for the times outlined in your course syllabus, and you'll be able to join a meeting by navigating to the Calendar section of Microsoft Teams, located in the left-hand action bar. 5 minutes before your meeting is scheduled to begin, you'll be given the option to join the meeting by clicking a Join button. Next, you'll be able to select your camera and audio options before joining the discussion. Once you're in the meeting room, the action bar located at the top of your screen will allow you to show meeting participants, show chat, raise your hand, toggle your video or audio settings, and even share your screen with fellow participants. By clicking on the three ellipses, you can open the Advanced Settings menu, where you can change device settings, check call health, collaborate on meeting notes with your fellow classmates, or even apply background effects. I'll let you explore these options on your own. Finally, you may want to schedule your own meetings, probably with the group you've been assigned to. Scheduling a meeting is easy. In the channel you would like to schedule the meeting in, click the drop-down arrow next to the Meet button in the top right-hand corner and select Schedule a Meeting. Fill in your meeting details and click Send. In this course, you'll likely chat to your TA and classmates through posts in your discussion section team channels. To write a new post, click the New Conversation button at the bottom of a channel window. In the message window, you'll be able to add formatting to your post by clicking the pencil icon, a file, or an emoji. You can also get the attention of a specific person or an entire channel by using the @ symbol, followed by their student email address or the channel name. Unfortunately, you're only able to @ another student by their student email address, since UBC does not make student names public within Microsoft Teams due to privacy concerns. Instead of posting in a public channel, you can also send a private chat to someone by navigating to the Chat button in the left-hand action bar in Microsoft Teams. Here, click the pencil icon and type in the email address of the student or the TA that you would like to contact. You can proceed to send them a message, or you can also start a meeting with them, call them, or share your screen. You can also add additional people to your conversation if you'd like to create a private group chat. The final feature of Microsoft Teams that I'll be introducing you to today is how to collaborate on documents with your classmates. In Microsoft Teams, navigate to a discussion section channel, and then click on the Files tab at the top of the screen. You can just drag files from your computer directly into this window to share them quickly, or you can create a new document using programs from the Microsoft Office suite, such as Word or Excel, by clicking the New button and choosing the program. If creating a new document, give the file a name, and then click Create. Within these shared documents, you and your groupmates will be able to edit in real time. In case you need to undo some edits that were made to the document, however, you can also access version history by clicking on the File menu, Info, Version History, and then selecting the version of the document that you would like to see. They're listed in chronological order on the right-hand side of the screen. Once you and your group have finished creating a document, you'll want to submit it to Canvas for grading. To do so, please select the document you created and click the Download button. Then, open a web browser and navigate to the Geography 121 Canvas website at www.canvas.ubc.ca. You'll find a submission link to upload your work under the assignment section there. Well, I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Remember though, if you have any questions about how to use Microsoft Teams or run into any difficulties, just send me a message through Teams or by email at mikejayski@student.ubc.ca. Good luck and enjoy your time in Geography 121.